Often clients tell me that they have so many thoughts in their mind, such as, I'm not good enough, I must not make mistakes, I must be liked by people, I must be approved by people, others must understand me, life must be comfortable. And the clients will then tell me that actually when they sit down to meditate, all they are thinking about is these thoughts that are coming through their heads. It's almost like they're watching a film. So if you are one of these people and you would like to meditate, in this video I'm going to show you one of the simplest hacks you could use that would help you meditate. So by connecting with the breath, we can come back to the present moment, and increasing present moment awareness can really slowly help us to meditate, and we can actually feel the benefit of meditation. And that's a very gentle process, and we can ease into doing a meditation. One of my favorite authors, Eckhart Tolle, says that even 1 minute of breath awareness is like a meditation. Some incredible scientific research support this idea that mindfulness breath awareness can really enhance our well-being so that we can respond to difficult situations in life rather than react to them. A study carried out by Dr. John Kabat-Zinn in America indicated exactly that. They used and measured brain activity of women in America who were depressed and anxious. And what they found was that there was a lot of activation in their amygdala region, which is the emotional center of the brain. Our emotions are processed here, and our negative emotions are kept there, and also negative memories are also kept there. They compared the brain activation with the Tibetan monks, and in the monks there was a lot of activation in the prefrontal cortex, which is a part of the brain that's responsible for executive functioning. So it helps us plan, regulate, it's very logical, helps us become more pragmatic, and it's a rational part of the brain, so we can dispute our thoughts when we have negative thoughts. So they asked these women to meditate, use breath awareness and lots of right of breathing techniques. And after a few months, what they found was when they measured the brain activity in these women, they also have the similar kind of activation in their prefrontal cortex, which means that when they were having negative thoughts about themselves, when they were listening to those inner critical voices that they had, they could dispute their own thought pattern, and they could break the pattern. They could dispute them with rational argument, with pragmatic thinking, and with logical thinking. So breath awareness can really enhance our well-being by allowing us to become more rational, logical, and pragmatic, so that we can lower that inner critical voice and actually move on in our life to achieve our goals based on our true values. So the first technique we're going to use is known as 7-11, which is very much liked by my clients. It's a very simple technique. We inhale through our nose as we count to 7, and then as we exhale through our mouth, we count up to 11. So when we're ready, let's start together. Inhaling through our nose, counting up to 7. Exhaling through our mouth, making the sound. So when we exhale through our mouth, we're sending a message to our parasympathetic nervous system that we're okay. Some clients will do 9-15 if they can have longer inhalations up to 9, counting to 9, and they can exhale up to 15 if they can have long breaths. So it's entirely up to you, but your exhalation can be longer because that's where the parasympathetic nervous system kicks in and sends you the message that you're safe, that you're okay. In this moment, we're fine, we're okay, we're breathing, we're fine. So the next technique we're going to use is the same technique, but this time we're going to be aware of our belly, our lungs, our throat, and our nostrils as we inhale. And then as we exhale, again, paying attention as you exhale, your nostrils, your throat, your lungs, your heart or your lungs, and your belly. So same breathing, either 9-15 or 7-11, but noticing your belly, your lungs, your throat, and your nostrils. So let's begin. So inhaling, counting up to 7, noticing our belly, our lungs, our throat, and our nostrils. And as you exhale, noticing your nostrils, your throat, your lungs, and your belly. So when we notice our belly, our lungs, our throat, our nostrils, we can really extend our breathing. We can have a very deep breath, and it allows our lungs to expand to their fullest. It really allows us to go deeper to the base of our lungs, improve our breathing quality and our breath awareness as well at the same time. So the last technique we're going to use is called diaphragmic breath. It's called diaphragmic because when we inhale, counting to 7, our lungs are going to expand. The diaphragm pushes down and they can expand to their fullest so we can breathe really well. And then counting sort of from 11 to 15 as we exhale through our mouth. So for this diaphragmic breath, if you can place your hands onto your rib cage, and I'd like you to count to 7 and breathe as if you are inflating a balloon. So taking a deep breath, going, and then exhaling. And again, inhaling in your own time, counting to 7. Exhaling. So our lungs feel as if we are inflating them and then deflating them as we inhale and exhale. And that way we can really improve our breathing capacity, our lung capacity. So I really hope you enjoyed the breathing techniques. And if you found them useful, you can share them with your friends and your family. You can subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be making more videos like this. And you can give me the thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you for watching.